好，我是7年级的汉语老师。那欢迎来到Bataan Bungay 中学校。Welcome to Bataan National High School, to the representatives of Bataan chapter of the Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and to our media people that we have today, then to Konsehal Vic Baluyon, and to the Mr. Tan, Mr. Ko, and to the rest of our visitors here in 2024 Culture and Arts Festival, right? So, I would like to welcome everyone, especially the parents. Marami po tayong parents dito na moment of humusay na where are the parents? Just wave your hand na makita po namin yung support ng mga parents po natin. Ayan po, pati yung mga guardians and the teachers of SPFL. Do we have teachers of SPFL po dito na nag-handle ng mga sections of SPFL Chinese Mandarin? Okay, so welcome po sa ating last day of the Culture and Art Festival. So today, we will showcase the talents and the skills of our foreign language students in speaking the Chinese language, and at the same time, evaluate how deep is their understanding when it comes to Chinese culture and art. So this is already, I think, our 10th year doing this kind of activity, and I am very happy that the support of the parents is 100%. So the support of our stakeholders is also 100%, and definitely the support of our school principal is talagang you cannot really count kung gaano ang support ng Bataan National High School when it comes to the implementation of the special program in foreign language Chinese Mandarin. So I have been in China for 5 months. Now I'm with one of the alumni of SPFL Chinese Mandarin, and then we are very fortunate to join that kind of scholarship program given to us from Fujian Shikantashwe or Fujian Normal University. And I said to myself, once na makabalik ako ng Pilipinas, so I will really encourage my students to take seriously yung pag-aaral nila ng Chinese, because there are so many opportunities waiting for you once you're fluent in speaking the Mandarin, speaking Chinese Mandarin. So a lot of scholarship waiting for you, high-paying jobs, for travel, you can use this language. So marami pa. Kaya natutuwa ako na ang mga parents natin, they really support you all the way from you started the Chinese Mandarin when you were in grade 7, now you are already in grade 10, and yung ibang mga alumni na nandito, asa po yung mga alumni natin, ayan, right? They are really waiting for this kind of activity po ng SPFL. Kaya po, once again, welcome po. Now, I forgot my colleague from Olongapo Division. Nandito po ngayon ang mga local Mandarin teachers from Gordon Heights National High School. Pakaway na lang po. May visitors po tayo. And coming po yung mga local Mandarin teachers from Zambales Division. So talaga po, they chose Bataan National High School po na i-benchmark because they know na performing po ang implementation po natin ng SPFL Chinese Mandarin. And with that po, I hope sit back and enjoy the rest